Happy New Year's, everybody. I hope the new year turns out great because Zart really needs to make a New Year's resolution. He did it again. Poor buddy. There's so much glitter. I just can't get over it. What are these crystals? Are these diamonds? They look like diamonds. Imagine if I had this for a ring. Comment down below. Are these real diamonds? Buddy, are they real diamonds inside of you? They're so sparkly and beautiful. Did they really come in Buddy? Oh, poor Buddy. There's so much glitter and so much diamonds. Oh, Buddy, what are we gonna do with you? Oh, jeez, that's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get the cinnamon and we're gonna sprinkle some cinnamon on you because we have to make Buddy better. Zart, I don't know what to do about you. You're so mean. Absorb the vitamins. Absorb. I wonder if it would help if I know I'm not supposed to touch Buddy, but I feel like we need to put all the diamonds and the glitter back inside. This is so bad. Swirling the cinnamon in. Comment down below what we should do. I just don't know what to do about Zart. He's so bad. I wonder if they're real. Oh, I'm so relieved. The cinnamon fixed Buddy again. Well, comment down below what your New Year's resolution is going to be. I really hope Zart decides to become a very nice elf on the shelf. I just don't know if it's possible. Well, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Sometimes they are a little bit mean. Poor elves. Thanks so much for watching.